Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Hubble Exchange. This is a trustless and composable trading system for perpetuals. They have their own testnet and they confirm that they are going to do an airdrop, so probably it's going to be to the people that tried the testnet. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to do that step by step, like always in my videos, so you don't miss the opportunity to earn free money just testing the testnet of this project. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Like we said before, Hubble Exchange is a trustless and composable trading system for perpetuals, engineered at the intersection of derivatives and application-specific VMS. HubbleNet is a purpose-specific chain customized to embed a fully decentralized limit order book and its machine engine. Hubble important details about the project is that they raised a total of 3.3 million in funding from various investors, and they confirmed to do an airdrop after the launch of their token in the Telegram. So that's already a confirmation about the airdrop that they are going to do. And because they say on the launch of the token, that means that probably they are not going to wait until the people use the live version. So this is almost confirmed then, and we can speculate that the airdrop is for the tester users. That means that using the testnet, you don't need to pay anything to do this, and you may receive some free tokens from this project. In Twitter, they have 15k followers, a lot of information about the technical aspects of the project. If you want to see more about that, you can go to the video page of the Hubble Exchange and you are going to see all that information there. Specifically this document, which is the introduction of the Hubble Exchange, a purpose-built chain for perpetuals. So here you have a lot of technical aspects if you want to understand how this works. Now going to the step-by-step of this tutorial, step 1, 2 and 3 is basically follow them on their social medias. You have the Twitter account, so from the Twitter you can see here on the top of the Twitter you have the Telegram and the Discord. These two links are here on the steps of my videos. I do the step by step because you also have my application and my Discord if you want to join us. I created an application to apply to all these airdrops that I cover daily. I have everything organized. Even if you are farming airdrops with multiple wallets, my app is going to help you a lot. And here in my website cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions, if you go down, scrolling down, you can see two videos that I did to show you how works my app, so you don't pay anything that you don't want. And also you have my private Discord where we are killing it with a high level of information and airdrops that we are managing, and we don't miss any of the airdrop distributions of airdrops that we cover. So you can use the Discord, Telegram and Twitter, and after you do that we go to the step 4, which is you can visit the Hubble Exchange testnet page. Here is the link, so I'm going to show you that. You can connect your wallet on step 5 and then you need to use the Hubble testnet. I didn't put the information of this testnet. You can just go to the testnet, connect your wallet, and at some point when you try to enter funds, put collateral, you are going to be pop up with the actual testnet. There are too many scams around there, so do it from the official way. So here you can see I am in the testnet of a Hubble Exchange. I am already connected, but if you are not connected, you shall go here to connect wallet, and the only available one is MetaMask, so it's going to pop up to connect your wallet. So click on next and connect. First, you don't have the testnet, it's going to connect maybe with Ethereum mainnet, don't worry. Just sign the authority here. There's no trick on this, it's only to sign up the authority for the exchange. Now, after you are connected, you can go to the Faucet. So this is step 7, you can visit the Faucet of the network. You also have here the link. If you click on Faucet, you go to this page. Just copy your address from your MetaMask, put your address here, and then click on fill your wallet now. It's going to take only a couple of seconds, and you are going to receive testnet USDC into your testnet wallet. So after you do that, you are still maybe not in the correct network for the testnet, but after you do that, you go to balances or you go to markets, and here you go to deposit and withdraw. And if it's your first time and you are in the incorrect network, you are going to see the pop-up of MetaMask to connect to the correct network of the testnet. So do that. After you are in the correct network, you go to wallet and you can see your balances. You can see USDC, I have 50 here, so in balance, and margin balance is 50,000. Those are the ones that I took from the Faucet that we did before. So here you can see my total collateral is 50,000. So remember, it's going to pop up automatically when you interact with the website of the testnet, the network for the testnet. You don't need to add it from anywhere. Now you will get the USDC like I mentioned. This is step 8. And now you can click on deposit and withdraw and deposit the USDC. So here click on deposit. I will put the 50, the max that I have, except that I will take a little bit out just to have another chance to deposit more. For the deposit, I will need to pay the transaction here. So I will change here the conditions of the gas fee and I will confirm this. I am doing the transaction. You can see down here and the transaction was successful. If you have errors on your transaction, edit the fee and put more so you can go through the transaction. You don't need any base token, just with the USDC you are going to be fine. So we already deposit, you can withdraw a little bit if you want. And then we go to step 10, which is go to markets and make trades. That is basically how you interact with the different things on the protocol. So we go to markets and we go to Ethereum Perpetual and we do a buy here. And we click on create authority, sign this. I will edit the fee so my transaction goes smooth. Transaction successful. Now the authority is gone and I click on buy. So I will be placing the order and the Ethereum log order placed successfully. You cannot see it because it's behind me, but you have the pop-ups there. So we already did an order position here for buying perpetuals on Ethereum. Now you can go to open orders and you are going to see my order there, the long position. So you can cancel it, cancel all, cancel a part, do a withdraw, deposit more another day and continue interacting on the testnet. So that will be all guys. Step 11 is just check here tech details about the project if you want. Works a little different than many other perpetual projects. The technology is good, so we need to see how this goes. When they launch the project on mainnet and the token, we probably could get an airdrop from this. So just try to interact a little bit with this and you are going to be done. That will be all for this video for Hubble Exchange guys. Before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.